everyone. How are you today? So you have a team, but it's not responding. You have a team, it's not recruiting, and you have a team and it's not duplicating. So today I'm going to share with you my 5-step duplication formula. And if you implement at least 3 of the 5, I think you're going to be on your way to growing a stronger direct sales team. I'm Gail Bates, and yes, I love helping leaders in direct sales duplicate. I help them move up the ladder of leadership with my systems and my strategies to help them to achieve their goals and build strong teams of women who have positive impacts on others. So if you are new here today, I'd love you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, I'd love you to give me a thumbs up. Okay, so duplication, it's a pretty strong word, but it's a word that always caught my attention because it denotes there is a formula or a step-by-step guideline to growing a strong team. So I want you to think of duplication to copy, to replicate, to repeat, to do it again. Duplication is a repeatable process, and it is the key to how I help leaders grow in my coaching business. And today I'm going to share with you 5 steps to this process. And I want you to recognize which step is your weakest link in growing your team so that you can then figure out how you're going to make it stronger. Okay, so let's move in with step number 1. It is called set the pace and lead by example. You want to be a leader who walks the walk and talks the talk, who holds 6 or more parties every month, who recruits every month, who shows up consistently on social media, and even for all corporate and team events. So I want you to think about it. What kind of pace are you setting? Is it a steady pace or is it a faster pace? Because I want you to know this, when you set the pace in your own personal business, your team will follow that pace. It's kind of like that old saying, the leader of the pack is the speed of the pack. Okay, so let's move on to step number 2, which is duplicating with a team communication system. You know, in my Journey to Leadership coaching program, you learn the benefits of having what I call a team booking system. In that booking system, you're touching your team every day, every week, every month with a specific methodology so your team knows that they have a caring and supportive leader, and it is that communication that is key to duplicating success on your team. Step number 3, you want to always duplicate with a strong onboarding system for new recruits. It's your job as a leader to make every new team member who steps into your team that she is having the opportunity to have a fantastic new business. So how do you welcome a new team member? Because it will determine the strength of your team. And when you work with me, I share with you a 5-step guideline that helps you track every new team member for the first 90 days with 5 specific areas of helping her be successful and also be supported and ready to grow. Now, step number 5 is all about you becoming what I call an influential trainer. And this is a key area to the duplication process. As a leader, you've gone through the steps to success yourself, right? Now it's up to you to train your team to do the same. So when you share this knowledge, you begin to duplicate and influence others to follow your lead. So learning how to train and influence your team to have success is really crucial to the duplication process. This is a top priority in our Journey to Leadership program. And step number 5, you want to build friendships on your team. And you might be saying, Gail, well, what does this have to do with duplication? Well, you can't inspire people if they don't appreciate you as a friend. Because when you build friendships, you find out who on your team is really looking for more in her business. You will know how to support her. And this is actually the magic bullet to team building. When you unlock the potential in those who aspire for more, they're ready to grow with duplicatable practices to move up the ladder to leadership. So this is a 5-step formula that I teach my coaching clients in my Journey to Leadership program. And I have a call to action for you today. I want you to review, go back and listen to this again and review these 5 steps and ask yourself, which of these is my weakest link? Which one of these do I need to step up to have stronger duplication on my team? And if you really are interested, you might want to click the link below to see if you're ready. You're ready to work on a specific duplication formula with us in our Journey to Leadership program, and just go on a journey to leadership as well. Have a great day.